So one of the other things that happens on a boat, of course, is mold and mildew gets everywhere, especially when you leave things like fenders sitting around in dock boxes and in bilges and just hanging out on the dock. So this is obviously a pretty bad example. We've had it hanging out here for quite some time just to illustrate the effects of what can happen out there. So two products that I want to show you how to utilize to clean this up are Starbrite Mildew Stain Remover as well as our Starbrite Magic Sponges. And these two, you'll see the results are really dramatic. So what we'll go ahead and do is just spray this guy down right here. We'll do a nice stripe in the middle so you can see it. We want to get it nice and wet. We're going to give that a dwell time of about 30 seconds to a minute while we open up our magic sponge here, making sure to secure the wrapper so that it doesn't blow away. The magic sponge is melamine product, married on both sides, married in the middle with this heavy-duty yellow backbone sponge. That's what really gives it its strength. So when you actually scrub on this guy, you'll see that it doesn't just shred apart on you. So as you can see, it's already starting to change colors. The mildew stain remover is reacting. If you want to speed this process up, you can utilize the magic sponge, which really amplifies the cleaning effect of any cleaner that you utilize. So you can see the real dramatic effects in just a second there. We'll go ahead and spray it off. Give it another quick wipe down with the sponge. And you can see that fender is almost as good as new. It's going to need a couple other quick rinses just to get it all cleaned up with the mildew stain remover. As you can see, we got a lot of dirt and grime to get off of that guy there for you.